What's good? What it do? What it be? Welcome back to my channel, guys. And today I'll be reacting to Pentagon's Naughty Boy MV, which came out 4 days ago. It came out sometime this week, I know that much. So I'm not too late, and hopefully I can get these videos uploaded today, because I just finished uploading a whole bunch of videos that are late that I did last week. But yeah, now before I get into this, now y'all all know, like a whole bunch of y'all know out there already, that Cube has greatly effed up. Like, they effed up so bad, and then they literally, they said, there was post saying that they forced Edon and Hyuna out, which I read Hyuna didn't even know, and she just plain but quit. Like, she didn't know until she read stuff on social media that they were being kicked out of Cube. She's like, so she just plain quit, and it was literally not even too long ago, because like, I forgot the exact day that the stuff was posted, that they caused themselves so much whiplash because they tried to backtrack so fast, saying, oh no, it's still up for discussion. It's like, no, it's not. Y'all plain as day kicked them out of your company, and they're trying to talk about, oh no, it's up for discussion. It's like, no, it's not. You said what you said. They're like, oh, we didn't say that. It's like, yes, you did. Like, it's just crazy and stupid. Like, Cube is making YG, SM, who else? Starship and TS Entertainment, making them look like angels compared to what they did. Because literally, they kicked 2 artists out because they were dating. Like, they broke up for a minute, and then made it look like it was all Hyuna's fault. And then the company has to know that they're dating for them to go public, because you can't just go public without your company knowing. I know that much for sure, that you cannot just go public with your relationship. If you're an idol, you can't go public before telling your company. So they could have either not have told the public and kept them in the company, or they could have just been like, hey, who cares, they're adults, and just let it go. Because once they saw how much their stock had fell within those few minutes after all that was posted, like, their stock fell so fast, they had to try and backtrack. I was like, and they should have saw it coming, because Cube was technically still on thin ice for breaking up for a minute. Like, they literally were still on thin ice. And to kick the person who was making them the most money. Like, how stupid can you be? Like, I don't understand this. You know what, without further talk, I'm sorry for getting all into that. But without further ado, Pentagon's and Naughty Boy, let the show begin. I saw a lot of pictures and stuff and memes of them like frogs. Alright, I see you. Ain't no water or soap. I'm liking the colors of this video. And I like the filter that they kind of put over it. The Macarena? Sir. But that chicken though looks hella good. Now with the song title called Naughty Boy, I did not expect it to go like this. And what's with the frog reference? I'm about to look up the lyrics. But this dance is super cute. Macarena with it. Hey. That little kid right there on the right. Woo. The reason I kneeled down was to get ready for a leap. What kind of car has microphones in it? And how do y'all all fit in that tiny ass car? Hey. Was this ending needed? The camera had to have got fired because he was like, oh, I forgot to turn it off. Bitch. But no, in all honesty, I was really not expecting it to be like this for a title called Naughty Boy. But I loved it. Nevertheless, I did love the song NMV. It was super cute. I still don't, I read that one English line, but the frog thing I'm not too sure about. And I don't know why. It's not like I don't like frogs. I would never touch one because they're gross and slimy. But I just don't see it. But anyways, I'm not going to ramble on anymore because if I do, I'm going to just start rambling on about Cube again and how they're being completely stupid for doing that. Side note, I hope